What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know you guys are ready to see the Civic brand new paint job, and with the wheels. If my voice sounds a little bit different, I've been kind of sick. Last week I was at Coachella and the desert really beat me down, but I know you guys ready to see the Civic, the brand new reveal. I'm going to show you guys in this video today, so stay tuned. Before we jump into this reveal, I want to tell you guys how did I get my car painted. That was a sticky situation at first because the guy I was going to go to at first, the painter actually, like, I don't know, quit. I drove like 30 minutes up there and he told me, I don't have a painter, I can't paint your car. I was about to give up on this car, like, to the fact that, okay, this is it, I'm about to trade this car in. You know, even though I tried 2 times before to trade this car in, I'm gonna try the 3rd time to trade this car in. But I was driving home and I seen this paint shop. I said, okay, I called them, I said, do you guys paint? They said they do. I said, great. So I said, okay, that's when I told myself, okay, it's really gonna happen. I'm gonna get my car painted. When I went in that paint shop, it was like, and they showed me all the different colors of paint. It was so many choices in there. It was like a girl going to the nail salon and they trying to figure out what type of nails they want. That was me. I was trying to figure out everything, trying to figure out what do I want to do with this car, what color do I want to paint it. But I told myself I'm gonna keep it simple, but I'm gonna have a little twist to it. But guys, I'm ready to show you the new Civic and the new wheels on the car. Guys, I know you're not ready. You're not ready for this. You're not ready. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the new Civic. Now, I have to go up close to see it, but I have the Sable Effect paint that's on this car. It shines so good in the sunlight. Oh my goodness, I love this paint so much. It is so nice. I love the Sable Effect on the car. Very, very, very nice. It's gonna do a lot of wonders in the summertime when I drive this thing out. I'm so happy I got it done when the summer's coming up, because this car's about to be on the road a lot. And the wheels I got, guys, are the AODHAN wheels. Look at these right here. These are 17-inch wheels with a 35 offset, positive offset. But these wheels are crazy to me. Just look at them. I was like thinking about getting white wheels. I saw some gold wheels I wanted to get, but I said no, I'm just going to keep it very simple for the first go around and get these AODHAN wheels. These are new wheels. Actually, it's a new company on the block that started in 2016. Actually, I've seen the history behind these wheels and this company on Fitment Industries on YouTube. Give a lot of information about wheels. So, but these are the wheels right here, guys. I love these AODHANs, and just like from the stand back, it looks so good on the Civic. Like, my goodness gracious. That's why I was trying to get the side skirts done, trying to get the new headlights done, because when I told you guys I was dropping the Civic off of paint, I was literally dropping the Civic off of paint, and I took everything off. I took that off. I might do another one, I don't know. I took all my stickers off. I just want to go clean. The camera don't do you justice when you see it in person, but the paint is like hitting, like it's really hitting out here. But one thing I have to do to this car next is paint this right here. Right here. And I might just get new windshield wipers, but this is like super faded out. When I got it, when I first got it, it was black, but I want to paint that. That's gonna be in an upcoming video soon. The Civic looks like a brand new kid, a brand new baby on the block. Is ready, just ready to go. Oh, all the clear coat problems are gone. Like, look guys, no more clear coat. This is all paint. This is all paint, all paint, all paint, all paint, all paint. Man, I'm so happy. Just look at the wheels. Oh my goodness, the AODHANs are really doing me justice right now. Doing me justice. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to go back to a car show when I feel like, okay, my car's finally doing me justice. I know for the back I'm gonna get a rear diffuser. Before I get to the rear diffuser, I'm going to get me a new exhaust system. I was talking to a friend. It's telling me like what I should do about that. So that might be coming up. I got to save some money for that. But right now I'm just happy about the car. You never know what you can do. And I finally see that my project is coming alive. You know what I'm saying? I told myself I want to get suspension. I want to get the car painted. I want to get wheels. And I did that. New chapter now, because now we have other stuff to do with the Civic. Once I get the exterior 100%, I'm jumping to the interior. I might do a little bit of work inside the hood, but I'm just trying to get everything look good on the outside first, you know what I'm saying? And right now, it looks like a brand new baby, you know what I'm saying? I feel like I just picked it up from the dealership. And once I put the wheels on the other day, guys, it feel like, dang, I can't believe this is my car, but it is. Yeah, so that right there is the Honda Civic, the brand new Honda Civic, not the old Honda Civic that you always see in the videos with the messed up paint, with the hood caps. This is the brand new Honda Civic. I took it right back to the place where my girlfriend did the 5 things she hated about my Honda Civic. Now she can't say them 5 things anymore. All thing she can do now is look at it and say, dang, baby, it looks good. I'm like, yeah, hard work pays off. But that's it. I might put out this Coachella vlog too. I don't know yet. I don't know. Try to stick strictly to the cars on here. You know, I might put it out, might not. But this is the new car, the new baby. Revamped it, brand new. Got a lot of more work to be done, but that is the new reveal on the Honda Civic, guys. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Guys, hit the notification bell also, so you'll never ever miss none of my uploads. And always remember that legit is out.